On the next Quilt Show, we have two guests with two big stories to tell. First up is a quilter who has quilted over 9,000 quilts, and she's left her big busy pink barn to come and spend some time with us on the TQS set.
This mother of 6 is talented, tireless, and a triple threat between her long arm skills, embroidery, and bold, modern, colorful designs.
It's Charisma Horton, and she's teaching us how to give a time-worn traditional block new life with a splash of color.
Plus, don't miss out on what Charisma is doing with embroidery. She calls it sew-cutery, and I could snack on those stitches all day long.
Her work is wonderful, wise, and loaded with meaning. You could say this show is loaded with a lot of charisma.
Then we'll meet the fascinating woman behind the AQS shows, Michelle Renee Hiatt. Turns out this mystery woman loves to make mystery quilts.
Two inspirational artists who are turning rain into rainbows.
Your proverbial pot of gold is awaiting for you on the next quiltshow.com.